Hey everyone, this is John with the Digital Growth Community brought to you by B.O.S. Solutions. As you can see, there's some sunshine coming in, and hopefully winter is surpassing us. But I'm here to be your blue collar problem solver. You solve problems every day. Why not put those assets out there and bring additional value to your customers? I do this with the legacy program, the four income streams, the Launchpad, passive daily pay, digital mastery, and legacy program. But what I have strived to do for you guys that especially that have existing businesses is set up a system. You have the leverage, you have the assets, you're solving these problems daily. Why not put them into a system that even when you're not working, you're not present, you can have reoccurring income. Do you like the word reoccurring income? I think it's one of the best reoccurrences we can have in life is reoccurring income. We like getting paid weekly, daily, or whatever. Why not have that capabilities 24/7? And you can do various things with the digital growth community. It doesn't mean you just have to stick to what they're doing. You don't. It gives you the blueprint how to implement this into your own business. I can't. How long do you want to sit and trade hours for dollars all your life? Why not make it easier? This is the digital age. And why not bring blue collar value with blue collar solutions? It, it's it's a no brainer. It's this easy, and the pain part is how much do you have to struggle before you decide to do this? Because we can't be in two places at once and tell somebody invents something, I guess. But you need to take the bull by the horns and know what you have because this isn't reinventing the wheel. Businesses and entrepreneurs have been doing this from the beginning. They just don't know it all the time. But you can provide a free course, you can provide an in depth course where you do charge something for the information you're providing. It's education, it's an investment in yourself. That's what the legacy program is to me. It's an investment in myself. Yes, I paid $900 for the four programs, and I don't regret it one bit because I've learned so much more besides the value of what that does for you. But I'm here to try and bring you additional value to your business that you already have, or if you're going to start one. I mean, it's your freedom machine. Instead of being the hamster that always has to be there to do it, why not make that hamster wheel go by itself? You know, I want to bring this to you, and it starts with you. Compound your time, compound your value, compound the leverage, and compound the system. Have the system work for you instead of the system working against you, as so many like to say. Because I believe, just like B.O.S. Solutions stands for be your own self solution. And that is my goal. So if this is some of the things you want to do, you can go to my links. I will have them in the notes. Legacywithyou.com will get you started with 4 income streams. You can, and here's the other best part about the legacy program. And you acquire and have the resale rights. I know I've mentioned this a million times in other videos I forgot lately, but it's the biggest reason I stayed with this program because there's nobody else once you do your initial investment. There's nobody else out there making money off of you. It's all what you do after that. And you got to put it, there's some pain with it. You got to put yourself out there, social media, provide information. Maybe make a fool of yourself. Maybe that's what I do daily. You know, whatever. I, I'm humble enough to accept that I'm going to screw up. But what I don't think I screw up on is trying to bring you value, how you can do this for your business. And hard work alone doesn't scale your business. It's having, I'll quit it to, you got to have the right angle. Like, say, when you're shooting a basket, if you're using a backboard, you got to have the right angle for it to go through the net. So, and more hours isn't the answer. I think any of us that work 8 to 10 hours a day and maybe put an extra couple in for these videos, whatever social platform. Some of you guys can do this with AI and make your own videos. You can do faceless. There's all kinds of ways. And you'll see in my links, there's the Vid IQ. It's a great program that is intertwined with YouTube, and it makes you thumbnails, it makes you taglines, it'll give you a script, a description, um, anything. It's a nice little quirk to YouTube that offers you. I concentrate on YouTube and TikTok, and I'm trying my best to make this work and bring you additional value. But like I said, it starts with you guys and everything. And you can go to the digital growth community. Once you get in there, you'll see all the testimonials, and you're going to see people that have negative comments. You're going to see people with all kinds of things. But you know who the person that strives is the one that doesn't quit. And I guess that's what I've always worked on. Um, don't quit. Keep on going after it. If this is important to you to bring extra value to your customers and an investment in your own business, you're going to succeed. It's up to you. Compound it. You are your own avatar. I try to answer the questions that I have in doing this. That how can I make this so it'd be easy for me to use? And that's what I did with the blue collar IV system. I got a free mini course and I got an advanced course, and I will have these in the notes for you. So I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy it wherever you are to the best we can, and take care. Love to see you there.